In this quick explainer, we're diving into how to set up Skool games, showing you step by step how to get started and optimize your experience. If you've been curious about integrating games into your Skool platform, you're in the right place. Stick around to the end because we've got some key tips and an exclusive offer for you, plus a look at alternatives that might actually work better for what you're looking to do. First, let's break down the setup process. Skool Games is a feature that allows you to create interactive, gamified experiences within your community platform, which can really boost engagement. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Skool account and navigate to the Games tab on your dashboard. Once there, you'll be prompted to either create a new game or explore existing ones. Next, let's talk about game customization. Skool gives you several options for tweaking the appearance and functionality of your games. You can choose from pre-built templates or design your own using their drag-and-drop interface. This customization is fairly simple but does have a learning curve, especially if you're aiming for a more complex game design. It's not the most intuitive setup in the world, but it does give you plenty of options once you get the hang of it. The third thing you'll need to consider is setting up the reward system. Games are all about incentivizing participation, so setting up a solid reward system is crucial. You can reward players with points, badges, or exclusive content, which can be accessed through Skool's native tools. This integration isn't flawless, though. It works well in some cases, but can occasionally be buggy when syncing with other Skool features. Next, let's address the community aspect. Skool Games is designed to foster engagement within your community. To really make it work, you need active members who are willing to participate. That's where the platform excels, but it's important to note that the success of your games heavily depends on the size and activity level of your community. Without a good number of users, the gamification aspect might feel a bit flat. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the analytics Skool provides. After your game is live, you can monitor performance through their built-in reporting tools. This helps you track player activity, engagement rates, and how well your rewards are performing. While the analytics are good, they're not as detailed or robust as some other platforms. It's enough to give you an overview, but may leave you wanting more if you need deeper insights. So, what's the deal with Skool Games? It's a solid option if you already have a community on Skool, but it's not without its drawbacks. The setup can be time-consuming, and it lacks some of the polish and features you might find with other platforms. It's also worth mentioning that while the community aspect is a strong suit, the actual game functionality might not be as seamless as you'd hope. Before you jump into using Skool, I've also got to mention some amazing alternatives that may actually be a better fit for your specific goals. Platforms like Alternative 1 and Alternative 2 offer smoother integrations, more advanced customization options, and more detailed analytics right out of the box. Plus, they offer their own free trials, so you can try them risk-free before committing. Here's the best part. If you decide to go with Skool after hearing all this, we've got a special deal for you. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial Skool has to offer, plus exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. But don't forget to check out those alternatives first. They might just be the perfect fit for what you need to achieve. So that's a quick overview of setting up Skool Games. If you're still interested, be sure to click the link in the description for your exclusive offer and check out the alternatives to make the most informed decision.